Physics in Prose, a dramatic reading. Oh kinematics, oh dynamics, oh physics in one dimension. As I lay awake at night staring at my ceiling, it is you that comes, quite appealing. I reminisce of our memories and all the lessons I've been taught, but the truth is, after all we've been through, I still feel as though I know nothing at all. If a ball falls from a cliff, I know it's a projectile from a single whiff. Given some numbers, I could solve for all unknowns, working my wonders. D equals vt plus 1 half at squared. Split that into components when there's two dimensions paired. Even further, no acceleration on x, but gravity on y. I know everything about the ball which falls from the sky. If a crate accelerates after a force is applied, I know I can use Newton's second law with pride. Sigma F equals mass times acceleration. Sometimes friction must be included in the summation. Up a ramp, use some trig. A sine or cosine function will do the trick. Say two objects collide, momentum comes implied. Elastic or inelastic, conservation of momentum is guaranteed. Simple equations make it easy to complete the deed. Even in the real world, physics is abound. Airbags use impulse to keep you from being downed. When things start rotating, linear variables no longer apply. Rotational analogs begin to thrive. Mass to rotational inertia, force to torque, acceleration to angular acceleration. They're just some of the necessary transformations. All these problems can be solved numerous ways. I can use energy if it's that kind of day. Kinetic and potential, elastic and gravitational. No matter what, it's always conserved. That never changes. It's universal, you see. And beyond the algebra, calculus makes its appearance. Time-varying variables can complicate the system, but a derivative or integral is all it takes to set up an equation that rises to the stakes. But the moment I leave the physics I know good and well, I find that there is so much that I cannot comprehend. I realize that there are factors in the open world that cannot be controlled, and that things are more complicated than the equations I can recount with a blindfold. Newton's laws, they say, apply universally, but in the quantum world, do they not fall apart relentlessly? There are so many things I have yet to understand, and there are so many discoveries I cannot hope to comprehend. I think of the scientists who contributed to this field. Their brilliance is unfathomable, just like some of their theories. One day I hope I can make sense of this world. There's so much to learn, so much to see, so much to understand about the world and me. And as I continue this journey, I know physics will be around, for the laws of nature can never just shut down. As I lay awake at night, just staring at my ceiling, I know physics will come to me, always quite appealing.